morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. This is Tom with If This Car Could Talk. Today we were wandering around day one at Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale, Arizona, and as you would expect, there are some fabulous cars here. But I have found one here today that I know you'll love. It's probably the most low mileage, most original Trans Am that you've ever seen. It's only got 442 miles. And this is Paul, and this is Sandy. These are folks that we met last year, and they were here with this car and very accommodating, so we'd like to have them tell you about this gorgeous car. Take it away, guys.
Good morning, everyone. So this 1994 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am, as Tom mentioned, is 442 original miles. The vehicle has never seen rain. The convertible top has never been put down on it. It has all of the manuals, and with that 25th anniversary package, you got keychains, air tire pressure gauges, tons of documentation. The original window sticker is still with the car, and all the dealer paperwork. So again, an incredibly rare and traditionally true, all the best of the best. So this is going to sell again Thursday, lot 694.1, approximately around noon.